And now giving the floor to our youth in the room. We're so happy to have Prasidi, who's one of our youngest COP28 delegates. She's 11-year-old from India. I'll first give the floor to Prasidi and then to Josh.
Greetings, namaste and vanakkam. I am Prasidi. I am 11 years old. This is my first COP and I am very happy to be over here. So I work on nature-based solutions, climate action and climate education. I've been doing this from the age of 4, which is almost 7 years now. So I've planted 130,000 trees and I've mobilized about 80,000 people across 20 countries. Today, I am very happy to be over here in this SDG Pavilion's launch, and I would like to congratulate the entire team who has been working tirelessly to make this a successful event. So in today's world where every day we are listening about natural disasters, forest fires, floods, cyclones, some or the other problem, which is usually negative when it comes to climate change, what do we do? How do we actually solve this problem? How can we take real action? And at this point of time come the SDGs, the 17 Sustainable Development Goals. Today, as we march towards achieving it in the next 7 years by 2030, I believe we should not treat it as just 7 years, but as 7 entire years. Because if we take this as an opportunity to change our world, to bring a difference, we believe in our potential, we can make a huge difference. I represent Generation Alpha, which is after Gen Z. And representing Generation Alpha, I believe that we have a lot of potential to bring a difference, we as youth and children. Be it in terms of taking real action, in terms of working on various different projects, in terms of spreading awareness, and I particularly focus on nature-based solutions. So in nature-based solutions, I work on mangrove plantation, indigenous tree plantation, agroforestry, and lake restoration. And my journey started ever since I started to walk and talk, because I made this amazing bond with Mother Nature. But at the age of 4, when Vada cyclone hit the shore of Tamil Nadu, the place where I live, it was dramatic. And having this bond with friends, having this bond with trees and treating them like my friends, I was disheartened to see these impacts. But I said I had to do something. So I started participating in plantation drives. And after doing that from the age of 4 to the age of 6, for 2 good years, after participating in the nursery creation, the germination, all these processes, learning about it, gaining some acceptable experience. At the age of 6, I said that I want to take real action, and I launched Prasidi Forest Foundation with the target to plant 100,000 trees by the end of the year 2022. And it kicked off. But do you think anyone would, at the very beginning, agree to a 6-year-old to do tree plantation? No. I mean, it is very difficult. But after convincing them, after working hard, it happened. And at the completion of 100,000 trees plantation in 85 different places with various stakeholders, I was also featured in National Geographic. And this is how my journey has been going. And I want each one of you to join this journey, to believe in youth and children, as you have been doing for all this time, to believe in our potential. Because I believe that only when we work together, we can make a difference. We need to believe in the potential we have. We need to believe in each and every person. I believed in those farmers, those villagers, those people. And slowly, now I have a second organization, the Green Pillar, which focuses on climate education. So I would be very happy to connect with all of you, to talk about my projects, how I mobilized 80,000 people, how I've been doing this. Right now, we are running short in time, and I'm very excited to listen to our next youth speaker. But this was all I had to say about call to action. And I want to say that if not you, then who? And if not in the SDG Pavilion, then where? Thank you so much.